Hello and welcome to this enhancement overview. This time we're looking at eCampaign for Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. eCampaign provides some major benefits for CRM to improve standard functionality around email marketing. It's fully integrated. This will help you save a lot of time. You won't have to use multiple applications, which is typical of many email marketing enhancements. It's extremely easy to use as it uses Microsoft's standard native look and feel. It has a full HTML email creation and editing facility. This makes it very easy to build professional looking email content for your campaigns without any technical assistance. You do not need to be an expert in HTML. It also has comprehensive reporting, providing analytics on open rates, click-throughs, bounces and unsubscribes. This helps you quickly understand the success of your emails and to identify who your hot prospects are. eCampaign is available for Microsoft Dynamics CRM version 4 on-premise, 2011 on-premise, and also MyCRM's hosted 2011 platform. So let's take a look at eCampaign.
We're going to go straight into Microsoft CRM and look under the marketing section of CRM, and you'll see that there's these three new elements: subscription groups, subscription items and eCampaigns. A subscription group allows you to group multiple subscription items and allows you to separate what end users will see and can subscribe to. So you may have within your organization many different types of newsletter that you want to send out, but you may want to group those by different groups. I'm going to look at my subscription items, and you can see we've got a newsletter and My CRM News. We will be using for the purpose of this demo the My CRM News. So I'm going to move up to the actual eCampaign. If I go straight in and create a new eCampaign, this allows me to just create an internal name for the campaign. I can select a marketing list, which is a standard CRM marketing list. I can pick my subscription, which is the My CRM News, and then I can pick a start and end date for the campaign to run. So I want the campaign to run from today, and I want to end it, I want to finish tracking it at the end of the month. I've got the option how I want to send the campaign, so I've got my default queue, so all emails will go out from a queue within CRM, or I can send it from the campaign owner, a selected user, or the actual record owner in CRM, and that's the record owner of the contact, account or lead record. But for this I'll go back to my default queue. I'm going to give it a subject, and this is the subject line of the email that will be sent. My delay sending allows me to send in the future, so I could set up a campaign and then send it out of hours or in several weeks time, but for this I'll mark it back as I don't want to delay the sending. I'll just save this off, and you'll see that what happens is it opens the email message below the standard information. So I'll just highlight that and open up this screen. What I'm going to do is just open up one of the standard templates, and this will open up a standard email editor or HTML editor for you to use in the creation of your campaign. And you can edit this in the normal way with any HTML editor. I can change colors if I wanted to. I can add images. I can select an image to add into my campaign. If I just wanted it back, just OK that, and that's just going to put that image in. I can move that around different parts of the template. I can add tables to my campaign because this is a standard HTML editor, so I could, if I wanted, just to add some tables, I can drag that across, I can make it bigger or smaller. But what I am going to do is just open up an existing template that I've created. So I'll just go to my global templates. These are standard CRM templates that can be also used with emails, single emails within the CRM system. I'll just select that, and you can see that's opened up our standard My CRM HTML template. What I will just do with this is just add a data slug from CRM so I can personalize my campaign. I can just add, I can select the contact, use the first name, and that will put that into the actual template of the email. Once I'm happy that I've built my template, what I can do is just preview that in the preview screen. And from here what I can do is test any of the links that I've embedded into the actual template, and I can look through and scan through the different data, and you can see that the template is changing. I could either close this or send myself a test email, but I'll close it for now. And once I'm happy with my actual campaign and my template, what I would do is switch this over to ready to launch, and this will launch the campaign ready for sending. What's going to happen now is the workflows will start processing that campaign and start sending the emails out directly from CRM using the email router. What I am going to do is just close this one down and open up one I set up before. Expand that window out, and you can see on the main screen what you've got is your success rate of the emails that have been sent, the number of people that have read that email, the number of people that have looked at the alternate view, and the number of people that are unsubscribed. What you've also got is the report section, and built into eCampaign are a number of reports. The first report is the number of links that have been clicked, so I can drill down directly into my campaign, and if I wanted to open the record in CRM, I can open up that record, and this is the contact record in CRM. I can look in the closed activities, and the email will be there from the campaign. I can also look at the interactions, and if I pick up one of these interactions, I can see how this individual has interacted with that campaign. I'll just expand this out. I can see that it's been read in Outlook 2010 and the individual is using IE9. I can see the time and date of when the activity was created, and I can see all the client versions. I've also got an audit trail of those interactions, so the different times and dates and when the person viewed the email. So I can see that they read it a number of times in Outlook, and they're using Windows 7. They looked at the alternate view and viewed it via a browser, again using Windows 7. I'm just going to close this contact record down and go back to my reports on eCampaign. I'm going to look at my actions report, and I can see this gives me a more detailed view of exactly who read it. And again, I've got my list of contacts. I can also look at who viewed the alternate view, the subscriptions, the people that updated their subscriptions, and anyone who unsubscribed. I've also got my email sending statistics, and this is going to show me how many emails were sent, how many out of offices I received back, how many emails were delayed, how many emails were actually undeliverable, and how many emails failed to be sent from CRM. So a failure is an email that failed to leave CRM for either being do not bulk email or doesn't have an appropriate email address. My final report is my related records, and you can see on this report what I've got is a number of tasks, phone calls and letters that have been created. With eCampaign, with it being fully integrated into CRM, you can use workflows to create letters, you can use workflows to create phone calls as well, based on those interactions that I was showing in the previous screen. So if someone clicks through to an email you sent, you can create a phone call for as a follow-up for the telesales team to follow up. Also, emails that are incoming back from that campaign will also show up here. You've also got the chance to record opportunities that are related to that outbound campaign, and you've got all the related activities for that campaign, so all your phone calls and all your emails, etc. And again, you've got all your closed activities, so things that have been completed. So you've got a full overview of what ongoing activities come from an eCampaign. I can also go back and have a look at the actual email message that was sent, so there's our template again. I can look at any attachments that were sent and any filter lists that were created. I go back to my general information again. You can see there's my standard campaign information, my marketing list and the subscription I used. I'll just close this one down. Obviously you get a continued list of all the campaigns that you send, and each campaign using CRM can be active or deactivated because it's a standard entity within CRM. If you do have any questions, please do contact us. This ends the demo for eCampaign.
eCampaign provides some major benefits for CRM to improve on standard functionality around email marketing. It's fully integrated. This will help you save a lot of time. You won't have to use multiple applications, which is typical of many email marketing enhancements. It's extremely easy to use as it uses Microsoft's standard native look and feel. It has a full HTML email creation and editing facility. This is very good and very easy to build professional looking email content for your campaigns. You do not require HTML skills or technical assistance. It also has comprehensive reporting, providing analytics on open rates, click-throughs, bounces and unsubscribes. This helps you quickly understand the success of your emails and to identify who your hot prospects are. eCampaign is available for Microsoft Dynamics CRM version 4 on-premise, 2011 on-premise, and also MyCRM's hosted 2011 platform. For further information on eCampaign, please call us or email us info@cgesoftware.com, or visit our website where you'll find more information on eCampaign and many other application enhancements.